Tropical storm Lisa has formed in the Atlantic. Advisory number 5A, last updated October 31st, 2022, as of 8 p.m. Maximum sustained winds of 45 miles an hour. Maximum sustained gusts of 60 miles an hour. Storm motion moving west. Location 15.5 degrees north, 78.9 degrees west. So basically, this storm is in the middle of the Caribbean Sea right now. It is expected to make landfall around very south of Cancun, Mexico. I'm talking about very south of Cancun, Mexico. But it is going to make landfall November 2nd at 2 p.m. around 75 miles an hour storm. And thank you guys so much for watching, and peace out.